Hello, so welcome to the Cool Crochet Society. I'm Kelly, and today I'm going to show you how to make chains. So chains are one of the first things you will do when you learn to crochet, and they're good to practice so that you get consistent tension. So you start by making a slip knot onto your hook. If you haven't done a slip knot before, I will put a link to the video in the description so you can see how it's done. And then all you're going to do is make chains. So I'll just zoom in a bit. So to make a chain, you slip your hook underneath your yarn and just turn so it's yarn is caught under the hook, and then you just pull through the hook, the knot already on your hook, and that's all there is to it. Consistent tension is how we make all our stitches the same size and shape, and that comes with practice. So don't be disheartened if these end up all different shapes and different size holes. It will come to you with practice. So just yarn over and pull through. Yarn over the top of your hook. Make sure it's caught underneath the hook head. You'll just need to twist it around a bit and then pull through the loop already on your hook. And that's all chains are. So chains are often used in foundation rows. They're used in different stitch types in the middle of work as well. So this nice long chain could also be the foundation chain of a pattern. A foundation chain doesn't count as a row, it's completely separate, and it's just a way of starting your work, so it's something to work into. So this is the front, where you see these two loops here, and the back has this row of ridges down the middle, so it looks like it's 3 loops, but the right side that you want to work into when you come to make your rows into the top has this plaited effect. You won't see this rib on the back. Always work into the front. So it's good to practice with chains for a bit, just to get used to how you move your hook through loops, how to get your tension nice and even. You won't get it precisely even before you get started into more stitches, but it's good to have a practice just to get used to the movement of the hook and the yarn around your fingers as well. So have a practice, and if you need any help, please do come over to my group, the Cool Crochet Society. The link is in the banner, and I'll put it in the description as well. If you have any questions, please do come and ask. I'm always happy to help if I can, and it's a great group, just a nice little community of crochet lovers. So please do come over, and I shall see you next time for the next video. Bye for now.